Magbayanihan na, magbayanihan na.
Kapalong National High School opened its Brigada Eskwela campaign 2020 with the theme Pagpapanatili ng Bayanihan Tungo sa Kalidad na Edukasyon para sa Kabataan. Amidst the health crisis that we are facing today, Department of Education has been finalizing a learning continuity plan to ensure that education will continue during this time of emergency.
Now that we're in this kind of situation, schools are not allowed to practice previously prescribed student-teacher actual interaction ratio since social distancing should still be implemented inside the school to ensure the health and safety of the entire school.
Thus, Kapalong National High School is now adopting the new normal education system. The school is planning to deliver its quality classroom instruction virtually to make sure that our learners can access and adapt to the aforementioned system.
In line with this, the school is looking for partners in providing the materials needed for our students to continue to acquire and apply essential concepts and skills, such as smartphones, laptops, netbooks, or tablets and internet connection.
In addition, the teaching staff needs printers, printing papers, and inks for reproduction and duplication of learning modules.
Also, part of the list are face masks and hygiene disinfectants to prevent students and teachers from getting the virus, as well as materials for the construction of comfort rooms. Now by far is the best time to work in hand to build a strong generation that would lead and feed our country's growth in the coming years.
Your help will make a great impact to our students.
Together, we heal, we smile, we learn as one.
Panahon na naman ang brigada. Pagbigisin, lakas at diwa. Tara na, brigada na. Brigada Eskwela, magkaisa, sama-sama. Brigada Eskwela, salina mo ang barkada. Brigada Eskwela, kilos na, magbayanihan na. Ikaw ako, tayong lahat, hawak kamay, sabay-sabay, kapit bisig, buong bayan. Tara na, kumilos na. Tulong-tulong sa pagsulong, hatid na kalidad sa edukasyon. Sa kabataan, sa lahat tulong, buong madla sabay